What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna install some spacers that I bought off of eBay. These are 25mm hub centric spacers. As you see, they sit flush. I don't have to grind anything off because the length of the bolts are 25mm. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in. I already took off the wheel, put these in. I'm about to torque them, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So this right here is without spacers, and I'm gonna show you guys right now with the spacers on. You're just gonna put them right here where the wheel used to go. Hold up, wait a second. There you go. And then I bought these hub centric rings. These are, I forgot, I think they were 73.1mm to 56.1mm or 54.1. I'll put the description down below, but you just basically put it in there, and then you put your aftermarket wheels in there, so you reduce the vibration. And you have to find out what the bore of your aftermarket wheels are, so you get the right size for these. You don't have to, but it just reduces the vibration. And then you put the wheel on, and then we'll see right now how it looks. For that, you have to put the bolts in first before you put the wheel. So like this, put those bolts on, and I'm gonna tighten those up, and then I'm gonna put the wheel in. This is the size of the hub centric ring, 72.6 to 54.1. Okay, guys, don't drink before you start working on your car. Kind of got tipsy before, and I forgot to put the hub centric ring inside, so I have to take off the whole wheel. This is how it looks now with the spacers on. There is one problem though. When I started driving and I did start rubbing, I believe it's this part right here. There's like you can't really like bend that in, roll it over. It's like a metal part right here. I'm gonna have to like grind that off or something. I was just gonna adjust the camber, stock camber, and start moving the bolt, but I don't know. I don't really want to do that, because then I plan on getting other wheels, and I don't want to be adjusting the camber all the time for the other wheels as well. I just want to leave it how it is. Might just get other tires and stretch them, because these aren't stretched. But I'm pretty sure the other tires, if I get other tires, they still hit right here, so I just have to grind that off. To fix it, I'm gonna try to use this grinder and then grind that metal down. If the grinder doesn't work, then I'm gonna saw it off with this other grinder. This little metal piece right here, that's where it is. That's where the wheel's hitting. It's right here, this little metal piece. I'm gonna try to grind this off. Hopefully that works. So that's how much I sawed off from right there. Hopefully it doesn't rub anymore.